Oppo has launched two new gaming-centric phones under K-series in China called Oppo K15 Pro and K15 Pro Plus, with built-in next-generation active cooling fans for thermal management and dedicated LED lighting. Both of these devices shares quite identical design, but are different in terms of specifications, and among these two, the Oppo K15 Pro Plus is the higher variant with additional features. Now, let's explore the specifications of the Oppo K15 Pro Plus smartphone. The Oppo K15 Pro Plus features a tall 6.78-inch 1.5K resolution AMOLED display with up to 165Hz ultra-high refresh rate and up to 1800 nits of peak brightness support, and on the top it is protected by crystal shield glass. Under the hood, the phone comes powered by MediaTek Dimensity 9500S chipset, paired with Immortalis G925MC12 GPU. In terms of storage, the smartphone packs with 12GB of LPDDR5X RAM and 256 or 512GB of UFS 4.1 storage. As per the optics, the Oppo K15 Pro Plus sports a dual camera setup on the rear that houses a 50-megapixel main camera with f1.8 aperture, and it supports optical image stabilization for stable video recording, and there is 8-megapixel ultra-wide-angle lens with 116-degree field of view. The rear cameras of the phone is capable of shooting 4K videos at 60 frames per second. For selfies, it has 16-megapixel camera under the hole punch at the top center with f2.4 aperture. The device comes backed by a massive 8,000 mAh battery with 100 watts super flash charging support, and it runs on Android 16, based on ColorOS 16 skin on top. Additionally, the smartphone features an ultrasonic in-display fingerprint sensor for authentication, and it is IP69 certified for dust and water resistance, and it also includes a large VC heat dissipation system to keep the device cool in extreme conditions. The connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM 5G, Wi-Fi 7, Bluetooth 5.4, GPS, NFC, IR Blaster, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of this smartphone measures at 162.4 by 77.47 by 8.33 millimeters, and it weighs around 213 grams. So now, let's have a look at the pricing details of this smartphone. The Oppo K15 Pro Plus has been priced in China for 12GB plus 256GB storage option is priced at 3,499 Chinese yuan, while the 12GB plus 512GB storage option is priced at 4,199 Chinese yuan. The smartphone is now available for purchase in the country in origin gray, dust pink, and cyber silver color options. So, what do you guys think of this Oppo K15 Pro Plus smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below, and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.